Cutting images for a project can be time consuming. In Photoshop 2020 and above, life can be more easier by combining AI technology and minimum filter. Let me show you what I mean by that. We want to crop the microphone out. The quickest method is to go to the quick selection tool, shortcut W at the keyboard. You're gonna get the selection tool and press select object. If the selection is not perfect, you can fix the selection by just go around, adjust the size of the brush, make sure that you don't touch the background, and just go on the part that you want to crop as well. Just like that. Now, as you can see here, it shows already part of the background. So by pressing Alt and just tap on the area while we combine the Alt to deselect. Now go and press on the layer mask and it will cut the image. Now let's put in the background a different color so we can see the results of the image. As you can see right here, a little bit of the background got left. To get rid of that pretty quick, make sure that you press on the thumbnail of the layer mask and go to Filter, Other, and Minimum Filter. And changing preserves roundness. Why roundness? Because most of the shape is round. If you're gonna choose squareness, it's more for buildings and square shapes, of course. The more radius of pixels that we're gonna put, the less background we're gonna have on the subject that we have. In this case, 9.7 worked pretty great for me. I'm gonna press OK. Cut. The image is ready to use on every background.